In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to WhatsApp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. As of July 2026, there's some exciting news for those of you who want to use ChatGPT through WhatsApp. OpenAI has made this available, but currently, it's limited to users in the European Economic Area, or EEA. So first things first, check to make sure your WhatsApp number falls within that supported area. If everything checks out, you're ready to get started. The first step is to open up your WhatsApp application. Once it's open, you'll want to add the ChatGPT number as a new contact. Now, don't worry, this part isn't too complicated. You'll find either a plus button or 3 vertical dots in the top corner of your app. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, when that menu pops up, look for the option that says New Contact. This is where you will add the ChatGPT contact. You can get a little creative here and give it a name. For simplicity, let's use Chat as the first name and GPT as the last name, but you're welcome to use whatever name you like. Next, you'll need the phone number to finish adding this contact. The ChatGPT number is +1 800 2428 478. Make sure you enter that correctly so you won't run into problems later on. Once you've filled out the name and phone number, you can save the contact. Now that you have saved ChatGPT in your contacts, it's time to initiate a chat. Simply look through your contacts to find the one you just created. Once you click on it to open the chat, you can send a simple message like, "Hi." And, just like that, you're ready to start chatting with ChatGPT without needing an actual ChatGPT account right away. But if you're really looking to maximize your experience and possibly have extended or higher usage limits, you can link your actual ChatGPT account if you have one. For those in the supported areas, you might notice an option that says Link Account. If you see that button, all you need to do is click it, and it should guide you through the process of linking your account. Now, if you don't see that option, don't worry. All you have to do is type Link Account in the chat with ChatGPT and send that message. The system will then walk you through the steps to connect your ChatGPT account. Before you attempt to link accounts, it's a good idea to create an account on the ChatGPT website if you haven't done so already. Make sure to register using your actual phone number. This is crucial because you'll need to use the same number when you connect via WhatsApp. And that's pretty much the whole process. It really is fairly straightforward and allows you to enjoy interacting with ChatGPT right from your messaging app. If at any point you run into issues or have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Remember, this exciting feature brings all of the capabilities of ChatGPT straight to your fingertips, literally. So whether you're looking for quick answers, assistance with writing, or just a friendly chat, connecting ChatGPT to WhatsApp opens up a world of possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this new function. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.